All right, now that Brandon's gone, it's time to get this bitch going. Chris Cash, safety third. So this stuff I'm using, it ain't a secret, but I still ain't telling you. Check this out. Looking better. Why is the Black Raven so cool? First, look at that. Second, it's a 2.2 cruiser. Number 3, look how beat up this thing is, but it's still here in 2020. Number 4, it's old as shit. And number 5, with a bullet. Does anyone make anything that's remotely this cool and this detailed today? No way. Here we go. Here we go. Cleaned up. Ready to be sharpened.
Check this guy out. Look at that fucking bird.
So let's see how sharp I got this. Looks like she's already been trimmed up. What? Check it. Look at this beautiful Black Raven. Unfucking believable. So now we got to put the head with the handle using the wedge. Pro tip, whenever you're hanging a double bit, make sure you mark on the eye which side goes up, because there is a definite difference between the two. All right, check this out. All right, so check this out. Check this. God damn it. One more time. Check this out. Fuck. All right, check this out. I showed y'all that eye yesterday, how it's beaten to fuck. So I had to trim down a lot of that material on the handle that I wouldn't normally, but I got a big old fat wedge to fix that right up. All we gotta do is drive that home. I always douse the kerf with a little bit of glue. Now, it's time to turn this thing into a functional axe. Look at that. All right, I got all excited and I didn't tape cutting the wedge off and sanding it. Bandsaw got a hold of that right there and the little chipolito, but I got it. So the easiest way to clean up all these little curlies and stuff is really a razor knife. So look at it. There's what we created. Black Raven 2.2 Cruiser, 26 Adirondack handle. How fucking cool is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for hanging. Joey, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.